JJ the CPA here. Hope you're doing well. So 30 years of practice, certified public accountant. My entire career has been in tax. I'm an expert in it. I work with clients currently. I work in essence for the IRS, as in I'm preparing things and interacting with the IRS all the time. I'm not one of their employees. I'm not an IRS agent. But what I'm saying is every single day I'm interacting with the IRS, which is then to just tell you this. The IRS does not call you. The IRS does not email you. If somehow you think you're the exception and now the IRS is calling you, I guarantee if you put them on hold and Google that number, it most likely will be registered as a scam. If they're being rude to you, that's not the IRS. If they indicate that they're going to take over your bank account tomorrow, they're going to show up at your front door, not true. Can't happen. The IRS cannot do that. They say they're going to show up at your work, not possible. They say they've contacted the sheriff's office. The sheriff never gets involved in a federal matter. The sheriff never gets involved with the IRS. You're getting a call, it is a scam. Why? Because the IRS doesn't call you. You get an email from the IRS, it's a scam. Why? Because the IRS never emails. If there is links inside that email, guaranteed, it's going to be a virus. It's going to be something that takes over your computer or something to that effect. So because of the 87,000 new IRS agents that are hitting the headlines, so to speak, that would be hired in, let's say, the next year, this is heightened now those that pull these scams to now prey on those that may fall for it. Guess what? You're not falling for it. If you're ever in question with it, all you have to do is call the IRS at 1-800-829-1040. And if there is any collection activity going on, that person that you talk to on the phone is going to know about it. It's not possible that they wouldn't. It would be in the system. So unless you've been getting IRS notices for the last 2 years that you've ignored, if you owe over $100,000 in taxes, if you haven't filed tax returns in years, right, you're still not going to get a phone call. You're still not going to get an email. You're going to get letters. Do not give them information. Do not pay anything over the phone. Not possible. Impossible. The IRS does not take payments over the phone. Impossible. You make payments at irs.gov. You won't be the exception of getting the email or getting a call, because in 30 years, I've never had a client called. I've never had a client emailed. So even though you file on time, even though you don't owe any tax, right, you're not a criminal, but somehow you think that the IRS has something on you, right? You call 1-800-829-1040 to verify the information. All right? Hey, I want you to protect yourself. All right, hey, thanks for tuning in. I'd love it if you'd subscribe. And then don't you ever forget, you've never met a CPA quite like me. Have a great one.
American CPA.